Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Lively is installed and you have at least one compatible file. Open Lively, then click the plus Add Wallpaper button to begin. This is faster than browsing menus. Choose File and navigate to your MP4, GIF, or WebM. Drag and drop works too. Once added, Lively generates a preview so you can test motion and audio settings. Make sure you grant any permissions Lively asks for. Without them, the wallpaper may not play or show correctly. Once the file appears, you configure playback and performance. Select the wallpaper and open Properties. Set loop, mute or keep audio, and choose whether it should pause on battery to save power. Next, open Advanced to limit FPS or enable hardware decoding for smoother playback. This reduces CPU load. If you imported a web-based scene, use Scene Editor to tweak layers, set URLs, or enable interaction. These steps balance visual quality against system impact. Adjust until the preview runs smoothly. Finally, apply the wallpaper to your chosen monitor and observe behavior for a minute. If it looks good, you're done. Lively will remember the setting at startup if allowed. If playback stutters or crashes, try lowering FPS, toggling hardware decoding, or disabling audio. Restart Lively after changes. If a wallpaper disappears later, make sure the original file hasn't moved or been blocked by antivirus, and that Lively has permission to run at startup. One key tip: reboot after major setting changes to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.